Hey guys, today we're back with the LT1000 and she's looking a little different today. Um, Today we're going to be painting the wheels black. I think I'm only going to do one wheel today, but I'm going to show you the process of really what I do. I've got the tires set up, look a little goofy back there. But yeah, we got the front wheels off and I'm going to teach you how to repaint these without taking the tire off. And go step-by-step process. This is going to be a short, quick little video, and I'm going to paint these, and yeah, it'll be really cool. So to start, I'm using 80 grit sandpaper, and I'm sanding down just so I can get the paint to stick. And I'm just going to take masking tape or painter's tape and go around the whole rim. Then we're going to take brown paper or whatever newspaper you got, and we'll go over the whole tire after that so we don't get overspray. The tires are black, the valve stems are black, so if I did paint those, it'd be okay. But just for the purpose, covered up the valve, and we're going to cover the whole tire as well. If you were painting these a different color, like a red or a yellow, whatever you want to paint your wheels, you definitely want to do this because overspray really sucks and it doesn't get off tires for a long, long time. So yeah, we're just going to set up a little time lapse and see what goes on. All right, we've got this all wrapped, not nicely at all, but it'll do. I'm gonna put a piece of tape here because just to hold it down. But both sides are now all taped up and ready to be painted. So let's go ahead and go outside and do that. All right, we're outside now. For today's paint, we are going to use this Rust-Oleum basic Walmart flat. This is paint and primer, flat black, and we're going to use this Rust-Oleum crystal clear enamel. So let's go ahead and start with the black, and we'll move on to the clear coat. Yes, I'm painting outside. I do not have a paint booth, and I don't want to paint in the garage, so set this little stand up. Let's get started. We're going to do one side at a time. All right, we're going to let this black dry, and then we'll hit it with some clear, and then we'll flip this around. And yeah, it'll look really good. While the outside wheel is drying, I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna start prepping this one. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, it is not fully dry yet. When you put your second layer on, you want the paint to be sticky, not really sticky, but not all the way dry. So let's throw this clear coat on. All right, we're gonna let this sit and see if she'll need a second coat of clear coat. All right, we got this second coat of clear on this side, and we've got our first coat of paint on this side. I'm gonna let it dry and then put 2 coats of clear on it, and then this wheel will be done, and we're gonna do that. So yeah. All right, and here's our finished product of the 2 coats of clear and 1 coat of black paint. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna do the real wheels next, and it's gonna look sick. Thanks for watching.